Surfing in Hawaii. First stop, Hawaii. Home to some of the biggest and most legendary waves in the world, this tropical paradise is a haven for surfers of all skill levels. Whether you're an experienced pro looking to ride the towering barrels at Bonsai Pipeline or a beginner enjoying the gentle rolling waves of Waikiki Beach, there's something for everyone. The warm waters, stunning scenery, and rich surf culture make Hawaii a dream destination for wave riders. From the north shore of Oahu, known for its world-famous surf competitions, to the laid-back beaches of Maui and Kauai, every island offers a unique and thrilling surfing experience. So grab your board, paddle out, and get ready for an unforgettable ride in the heart of the Pacific. Skydiving in Dubai is an adventure that promises an unparalleled rush of adrenaline and breathtaking views. Taking the leap over Palm Jumeirah offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience, combining the thrill of free fall with a stunning aerial perspective of the city's iconic landmarks. As you soar through the skies, you'll witness the magnificent coastline, the sparkling Arabian Gulf, and the towering Burj Khalifa in the distance. The moment you jump from the aircraft, an intense surge of excitement takes over as you plummet at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour. The exhilarating free fall lasts for nearly a minute before the parachute deploys, allowing you to glide smoothly and take in the mesmerizing scenery. Mountain biking in Utah. Back on land, we hit the red rocks of Utah. Moab is a biker's paradise with insane trails, steep drops, and stunning desert views. This world-famous destination offers a variety of trails for all skill levels, from beginners looking for a scenic ride to advanced riders seeking heart-pounding descents. The Slick Rock Trail, one of Moab's most iconic routes, challenges even experienced bikers with its steep inclines and sharp turns, while the whole enchilada provides a thrilling, all-day adventure through alpine forests, rugged terrain, and breathtaking canyon vistas. Beyond Moab, places like Park City and Gooseberry Mesa offer equally exhilarating rides with diverse landscapes, from dense forests to open desert. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline rush or a peaceful ride through nature, Utah's mountain biking scene is unmatched, drawing riders from around the world year after year. Skiing in the Alps. From sun-soaked beaches to snow-covered peaks, next stop, the breathtaking Alps. Nothing compares to the exhilarating rush of skiing down these legendary slopes, where crisp mountain air fills your lungs and the stunning landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. Whether you're carving through fresh powder, tackling challenging runs, or simply soaking in the alpine charm of cozy ski villages, the Alps offer an unforgettable experience for every winter sports enthusiast.